Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Consumer Insights Pro channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones to explore all the incredible benefits of owning a Samsung Galaxy S9, specifically the SMG960U model with 64GB of storage, fully unlocked. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is a true marvel. Its sleek glass and metal construction not only looks stunning, but also feels incredibly premium in your hand. The phone's compact form factor makes it easy to handle, and it's available in various stylish colors. Now, let's talk about that gorgeous display. The Galaxy S9 sports a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED screen with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a stunning resolution. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or scrolling through your social media feed, the display is a treat for your eyes. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S9 is its camera system. With a 12-megapixel rear camera featuring a dual aperture, you can capture stunning photos in various lighting conditions. Low light? No problem. Plus, the Super Slow-Mo feature lets you record epic moments at 960 frames per second, turning everyday scenes into cinematic masterpieces. Under the hood, the Galaxy S9 is a true performance powerhouse. Equipped with a Snapdragon 845 processor or an Exynos 9810 depending on your region, this phone can handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps with ease. It's also got 4 gigs of RAM, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance. Worried about running out of space? Don't be. The Galaxy S9 comes with 64 gigs of internal storage, but it also supports micro SD cards, allowing you to expand your storage up to 400 gigs. That means you can store all your photos, videos, and apps without a worry. Here's a game changer: the Galaxy S9 is fully unlocked. What does that mean for you? It means you can use it with any carrier or SIM card. No more being tied down to a specific network. This phone gives you the freedom to choose your carrier and plan, and it's perfect for international travel. Another fantastic feature is its IP68 rating, which means the Galaxy S9 is water and dust resistant. You can take it to the pool, the beach, or even get caught in the rain without worrying about damage. It's built to withstand life's little accidents. Don't let battery anxiety ruin your day. The S9 packs a 3000 mAh battery that provides all-day usage on a single charge. Plus, it supports fast charging and wireless charging, making it incredibly convenient to power up your device. Your security is a top priority. The Galaxy S9 offers multiple biometric authentication options, including a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Your data is safe and easily accessible with a simple touch or glance. Last but not least, Samsung is committed to providing regular software updates, ensuring your Galaxy S9 stays up to date with the latest features, security patches, and improvements. So, there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at all the incredible benefits of owning a Samsung Galaxy S9, especially the SMG960U model with 64 gigs of storage fully unlocked. From its stunning design and camera capabilities to its performance and versatility, this phone has it all. And with prices this low, order yours as soon as possible before they're gone. If you're in the market for a smartphone that offers a premium experience, flexibility, and top-notch features, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!